How to add event pages in Squarespace. To do that, head over here to your website and then click onto this pages option. For this one, click on this plus icon. And then for this one, just choose in here events under the collections. Now from in here, it shall be able to show you some event templates. I'll choose this one right here. Now this will be created in just a few seconds and you can head over and then name it according to your liking. I'll name this events and then it will be added. We have in here the first event, event 2, event 3, and you can head over and then edit those out. For example, let's edit event 1. Just click on the three dots, click on the settings, and then you can see this date and time, the image editor, as well as the actual options for that, like status, tags, SEO, and a lot more. For example, you can also click on that particular event one and you can edit it from there. For example, click on edit. And then let's rename this. For example, let's name this fun run. Let's name this stop. And then you can also add in here the description as well as the time for that. From in there, click on save in order to save it. So that's how you add event pages in Squarespace. Hope you helped.